Okay guys, just going to jump right into this. I'm expecting a major move for Bitcoin to start in about 4.5 hours. Next week the candle opens. Right now I'm trying to decide where I want to take profit, whether it's 15K or 13K. I'm going to show you a couple charts, but I've been talking about this chart for a while. Remember, these are weekly candles. When we crossed this red ring, we had a major dump. Same thing, the next weekly candle, when it opens, it should be crossing this ring. I expect us to get a dump. I am currently in 3 short trades right now, a total of $8,000. 2 are 25x and 1 is at 30x. If you want to sign up for Big Get, my link's pinned in the first comment description. I'm writing these shorts because, again, I'm expecting a major move to the downside. Let me go back to this. So again, these weekly candles, this can take a little time to play out. Just want to show you your current strongest resistance. That would be here on the G1 chart at 17,251. If you hit that point, ideal point to short or long to if you're in a long. As far as downside targets, again, I'm trying to determine if I want to take profit on 15K or 14K. This could go down as low as 13,600 over the next couple weeks, possibly, maybe a month. I don't know, but I do expect a major move down based on that previous red ring. And this is a Z1 chart. Again, this is 15,879. It's going to be a very strong support. Could get a bounce. We'll see. If that breaks, 14,000 next target. So likely it looks like 15,000 to 14,000 is a downside target. But again, guys, I've been talking about this chart for quite a while. We're about to cross it at current price. And if it does play out like this previous ring right here, you can see what happened. We crossed this ring, we came down, so I'm expecting the same thing to play out here. That's it, guys. If you want to sign up for Big Get, my link's pinned in the first comment description. If you get access to the charts, website's opticrypto.com, link's pinned in the first comment description. That's it. I'm out.